Today, in the first assembly session after formation of new government by Congress, released a white paper in regard to the finances of Telangana. Last 10 years, BRS have ruled Telangana without any transparency. Neither the people can access the RTI Act, nor they can access the GOs in the websites of government. They have ruled with so much of arrogance, ignorance, or maybe they have ruled just because to make commissions in the name of infrastructure. Telangana before formation, from 1956 to 2014, in 57 years, loans that Telangana was having was 72,000 crores. And the total budget spent